Hi everybody.
Hey,
We're Body of Evidence, and we're so happy to be talking to you today. I'm Sarah Bardwell,
I'm Courtney Callis.
and we're the ones that are going to be doing the orientation this Friday, so I'll be taking you through that.
Thanks, Courtney. Yep, I'll see you in a bit.
All right. So, hi volunteers. I just wanted to walk you through our agenda for Friday, May 8th. So you can see over here, this is our agenda, and I'll email you a copy of this as well. So at 1 o'clock, we're going to start out with some intros, and this exercise is called Step In, Step Back. So we'll be asking a variety of questions. For instance, were you born in Denver? So if you were born in Denver, you'll step up. If you weren't born in Denver, you'll step back. And we'll do a variety of questions like that so that the students and everybody get a chance to get to know each other. And we'll also ask them questions like, have you ever considered applying to college? Have you ever considered majoring in the sciences? Just to get an idea of where people are at. Next up at 1:15, we're going to be talking about getting into college. This is going to be a really brief introduction to internet resources. And so basically what we're going to do is lead them to the UCD and the CCD website, and we're just going to look at those websites, look at what the requirements are, how to apply. So we'll actually look at the applications. We'll look at the financial aid website so they just have an idea of what are the resources on campus. We'll check out the registrar's office, and we'll look at what different financial aid resources are available. And so more than explaining all of the resources that are available to them, this is really a chance for them to see what the college websites have to offer them. At 2:35, we're going to be doing an exercise, an around the world exercise for applied science majors. So we'll have a bunch of sheets around the room. They'll have lists of different majors and what kind of careers you can get in those majors. And we're going to have the kids, or the students, excuse me, look up on iPads what are these professions like, how many jobs are there out there, what's the pay like, things like that, so that they have an idea of what you can do if you get a degree in the sciences and what the various different science majors are. 2 o'clock, we'll take a quick break. We're going to have snacks and beverages and things like that available. And then at 2:10, we're going to come back, and this is where you, the volunteers, really come in. We're going to do first a majoring in the sciences Q&A circle. And so we're going to get together as a group. We're going to get in a circle, and our lovely volunteers, so that's you, Will, Carl, myself, and Luis, will have a chance to just sort of introduce yourself to the students. What's your major? Why are you doing all this? And I would love it if you could talk about what were some of the greatest challenges and the greatest joys, or some of the hardest things or the best parts of your college career. And just to give students an idea of what your personal experience is, what really inspired you, what was really tough to get through, and then we'll have a chance for them to ask questions as well. At 2:40, we're going to talk about resources that are available. So we'll just do little 5-minute presentations, have Carl down to do a presentation about the Learning Assistance and the Learning Resources Center, Will to present about the EOP and TRIO, and I'll be talking about teaching assistants in the Disability Services Centers. And so I'll have pamphlets on each of these resources available to hand out to the students. And what would be great is if you could tell the students about what resources these various different programs offer. And also, we can actually have a computer set so you can navigate with them to the page of, for instance, the Learning Resources Center, and actually show them what does the website look like, how can they get more information about these resources. So we'll do that for about 20 minutes, and then at 3 o'clock we're going to do a campus-wide scavenger hunt. So we're going to give the students a list of about 10 different places around campus. They're going to find the places, they're going to take pictures, and whoever finishes first or completes this is going to get a prize. And then at 3:40 we're going to gather back, and this is when we're going to be filling out applications. So we'll be helping the students just fill out a really basic application form for both the summer and fall program. They can sign up for either or both, and then we'll also be scheduling interviews. So on May 11th we have a few hours where we're going to be scheduling interviews, and so we'll have a sign-up sheet for them. So it'd be great to have someone to volunteer to just get students signed up for those interviews. So that is the pilot orientation agenda. Again, that's May 8th on a Friday, and it's going to be in the Student Commons or the academic building, whichever one you know it as, on the second floor in room 2500A. So So we're really looking forward to seeing you, and we'll see you on Friday. And I hope you guys all have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon. See you later. Bye.
Bye.